Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Get Creative with Polmy. Today we'll be doing a flamingo painting to decorate a kid's room. For that I've got some acrylic paint, 12 by 12 stretch canvas and some brushes. So let's start. To start with, we are applying titanium white and a teal color. I will be applying 2 coats to get a super smooth finish. This is a painting which I'm making for a kid's room, so thought of making it very bright, colorful and playful. So thought of incorporating some tropical leaves, water and grass along with the flamingos to make it real fun. For the palm trees, I'm painting it with sap green mixed with cadmium yellow. I want to make this painting very fun, but at the same time do not want it to be a cartoon painting. Hence the flamingos would be pretty realistic. Rest of the look of this painting would be like a wallpaper or a clip art. If you like my painting and my channel, do not forget to subscribe, share, like, hit the bell icon for future videos. Do drop in your comments, it makes me happy, and thanks for supporting my channel. So as I've mentioned, first I'll mix sap green and yellow and paint the palm leaves, and then on top of that I would put direct cadmium yellow to make it bright, and then wherever there are darks I'm using direct sap green. As you can see, I'm applying direct sap green for the darker color. Now applying pure cadmium yellow to make it very bright. Applying the same process of first painting it with sap green, then cadmium yellow, and then again sap green, going back and forth to adjust the colors. I'm painting the next tropical leaf with a pure teal color. For painting the banana leaf, which is the third type of leaf I have used for this painting, I am again using a pure teal color. I did not have a reference photo for this painting, hence given some thought and incorporated some fun things to make it look very colorful. Finally, painting the fourth type of tropical leaf with pure titanium white. When I am trying to cover the underpaint, I'm using very thick paint. So for the fourth leaf, I would apply 2 to 3 coats to cover the underpainting. Now we'll be painting the subject, which are the flamingos. For that, first I'll apply a pink color, which is a mix of cadmium red and titanium white. Due to time constraint, I would paint the first flamingo very slowly and show you the details. Rest we will do it on a fast track mode. After covering the flamingo with a pink color, I'll be using cadmium orange for the darker part to give some shading. Along with the cadmium orange, I'm also using some cadmium red for shading. Post shading, I will be painting fine lines to create feathers with a mix of cadmium red and cadmium orange. Now painting some feathers using titanium white. painting the legs with a pink color and then we'll highlight with some orange. By using ivory black, I'll paint the beak, eyes, and some dark feathers. For painting the dark feathers, I won't be using very harsh lines. Rather, I would put some black color and merge it with water. Now we'll complete the rest of the flamingos by applying the same method of first painting it with pink and then shading it with orange, and then with a mix of orange and red and painting fine lines, we would be painting the feathers. Also, some feathers we'll be painting with white and black. Now again the fun part begins. I'm painting some water and grass. For the water, first I'm using a mix of blue and white, and then some purple and white, and then using some pure white. For the grass, I'm using chromium green and cadmium yellow and a brown to make the straws and sticks. So this is a very sweet and a fun painting you can have in your kids' room. What do you think about this painting? Let me know in the comment section, and do not forget to subscribe, share, like, hit the bell icon for future videos. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Bye.